at the brightness of this. This is normal, bright. It's like daylight here, and this is number 3. All right, today we're gonna bring some night vision binoculars. Now, these are including with the actual bag itself, the strap, so you can set them up through here if you want. I like the actual bag. They give you extra areas to store extra cables and memory cards. Now, they also give you a little tiny little bag that carries the type C to type A. They give you a little cloth to clean up the actual lenses. And of course, they give you a 32 gig micro SD card and the instructions. So I'm gonna show you exactly how this thing works, all right? First of all, you have a couple options here, all right? This is where you're gonna be facing the actual monitor that you're gonna be watching either the day mode or night mode. Now you have buttons here. You got your power button. You got your different light effects and different changes, your modes, OK button, zoom in and zoom out, all right? You have your light and your brightness here. So in case you need the extra boost on it. Now, one important thing that this is on the side of it, there's a little closed panel that's kind of hidden, camouflage. There's a type C and then the micro SD card goes in there. Now to turn it on, you're gonna have to hold down the power button for a couple seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now all the lights light up. So this is something you're going to see either at day or night. You guys can see it. They're pretty bright. Now let's go over some of the features, all right? And in the W, you're going to see a bunch of modes, all right? You see photo size, time lapse, photo burst, video size, loop, video, and stamp. You could go up and down with the actual button. If you hit OK, it's going to actually go into the system and so forth, all right? So we're going to go back to menu, all right? All right, so if you want to capture, if you guys can see in the little corner, it tells you that that's a camera. But if you hold down to a little short on the power, hold it down 1, 2, 3, and let it go. And it switches to camera mode and the record, all right? So just to let you guys know, it's the actual, hold it down for like maybe 2 seconds, not 3, because then it turns off completely. Now let's go over some features, all right? On the menu here, if you guys can see photo size, I'm gonna go through a whole menu so you guys can see it. Photo size, time lapse, photo burst, video size, loop recording, video rate, timestamp. And then there's more screen brightness, screensaver, auto off and on, after 5 minutes not being used, language, system volume, format card, we just did right now. And you can set up your time and dates, right? And then restore to default and what version, because there is a firmware upgrade too on this one. So we're gonna go hit the menu button again and this goes back out. Now, on the buttons here, this is very important. You have your flashlight because yes, this thing has a flashlight and it does an SOS. And it turns off. Now this one's a different modes for the night vision, all right? Now for night vision and other modes, it's gonna be here in this button, all right? And so we're gonna go in here and you're gonna hit that button and it changes to different bright. This is 4K and this is night vision. And this is another night vision and it goes back to the brighter and then it goes back to normal. Now when you go to night vision, I'm gonna show you guys, there's one level 1, but you could brighten it, you could lower it down the brightness. So you could focus here by moving the knob left to right to focus on the picture. There is a tripod that you set up if you want a bird watch. This also works as great binoculars and a great recorder. The whole thing is really light, maybe under a pound. And right now we're gonna take it out so you guys can see some of the features. We're gonna turn it off, hold the power button off, 1, 2, 3. And it turns off. Let's take it out in a dark place and see how this works. All right, so I just want you to see how bright these things are, all right? So we're gonna record in a bit right now, but I just want you to see how powerful they are. So like I say, hold on the power button. If you can't see the power button, it's hard to see in this one, but if you go zoom in by holding down, you can zoom out. We're zooming in right now so you guys can see I'm zooming into the bush, zoom out. We're also going to record. Let's go ahead and record. So we're going to hit the power button on. There's a rabbit right there. You can see it. We're going to change the mode so you guys can see it brighter. He's right there. Let's try to zoom in. Look at that.